Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're continuing our search for the best small leather good, or SLG, coin card pouch. And today we're going to be looking at the Noa Key Holder in the only color that it's currently offered, the standard Louis Vuitton monogram with a light blue interior. Now the criteria for this search is that we can find the smallest but most functional small leather good or coin pouch. I've ordered quite a few on Louis Vuitton to give them a try and want to share the exact unboxing with you. So when you check out at Louis Vuitton, you can request to include a bag, so I did, so that's why you're seeing that here. You have a long envelope which holds your receipt and your return information, so they'll actually give you a sticker to put right on the outside of the box. And then it does come gift wrapped, and usually the box fits perfectly, but this one was a little strange. So taking a look at our box itself, it does come with a beautiful signature blue Louis Vuitton bow, and it also has a swing tag that has a customizable card inside, so you can actually address the gift yourself. Now I do think that that is part of the gift selection, so I'm not sure if you skip on the bag, you would also skip on this option as well, so just keep that in mind. It is a very cute and very thoughtful detail, and it really does come gift ready. Now we're starting to get the first glimpses of our actual product. You can see it came in the standard Louis Vuitton drawer box, which is really nice touch, so you don't have to unstack all of your boxes if you have quite a few. Now we're getting the first glimpses of our Noa Key Holder, and you see that pop of light blue. Now, as I mentioned, this is currently the only monogram print that is available, or only colorway, the LV monogram on both sides, as well as the light blue on the interior, and that you can kind of see popping out on the side. It does have a key holder, which is a little interesting of a clasp. You have to kind of pull down on it and then release it, which is great because you're not going to lose it, or it's not going to come undone. And then the best way that I found to reclasp it is to just do that in reverse. Now, I do really love this blue and I love the size. My only qualm with this key holder is that it doesn't close all the way at the bottom. So you do see that there are holes at the bottom on either side, as well as a hole on the top. So if you do have any small items that you put in your wallet, or if you think that you might in the future, just be aware that you can't really do that with this one, unless maybe you put it in that sleeve in the back. Now it does come with a style number. Be sure to take a screenshot or freeze the video if you want to see those details. They are listed in the description below, however. Now on the inside, it is really simple. There's one card holder slot on the back. Maybe you can put your driver's license or something a little more special in that side. And then you just have an open area in the middle. Now I'm going to start showing you what you can actually fit in this card holder. So we've put in 4 kind of thicker coupons, which you can imagine are credit cards. And we're going to go ahead and fill it up with a few bills on the side, as well as a little Advil. And we're just gonna keep trying to fit more in here. Now, this is a really minimal card pouch, so I really do love that. You can actually fit quite a bit. You would never really put a scrunchie in here or a pill box, but they do actually fit. So this kind of gives you a general sense of how much you can actually fit in here. And of course, I do think that it will stretch out a little bit as you use it, but at least this starts to give you a sense of whether this would work for you. Overall, I did really like it. It just is a deal breaker for me that there is any separation, because I do kind of tend to put some loose trinkets in the bottom, or if I, lose something and want to keep it safe, I do need a place to put it. So for me, this one is ruled out, but let me know in the comments below if it works for you, if you've tried it, or if you like it. Now, as always, we are going to go ahead and fill up our new 2024 summer bag, and we're going to see how this wallet fits in amidst all of our other goodies. So as you can see, I'm going to fill it up with kind of the essentials, a lip gloss, some tissues, a pill box, that scrunchie from before, and of course just go ahead and imagine these are items that you would use in your purse, just to get an overall sense of the quantity and volume of things that would fit in here. Overall, because it is a small leather good, it is going to fit with no problem. This was actually the one that fit the best out of all of the options that I chose to try out, and I was really happy with the size that it took up. However, not enough functionality for me, and I would really just choose the key pouch at this point instead. That is all for this unboxing. If you made it to the end of the video, be sure to drop an emoji in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.